Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, you're going to discover how to make money with Photoshop. So if you are someone who know how to use Photoshop or you are a graphic designer, this is perfectly video for you, and this is mostly the easiest way on how to make money online with Photoshop, right? So first step, what you need to do is head off to peopleperhour.com, and then you're going to need to type in removal background or background removal. Okay, so I type in background removal. All right, so hit enter, and then you're going to see a bunch of results related to background removal services. Okay, so take a look. This one, remove background, $10. This one, professional remove background, $10. This one, Photoshop cutout remove background, $15. This one, 25 and 15. So if you scroll down, the list goes on and on. So means that so many people are providing this service on people per hour, and means that so many demand on this particular service as well, because there are so many like e-commerce owner. They wanted to have the very compelling image, very clean image, so they're going to land over to this site to find people like you and me who wanted to make some supplemental income online, and then they're going to hire you. All right, so just take a look at the sales. Right, this one 546, this one 677, and then this one 2039 with $5. Just real quick, let's calculate how much the potential earning for, or how much this guy has been making right now, right? So $15 times 2039 order equal to 30,000, guys. That is insane amount of money for only remove the background. So if you're someone who know how to use Photoshop, you know how easy this task is, right? So you can literally just use the lasso tool, magic wand tool to remove the background. All right, so I'm not going to go through the entire process how to remove the background on Photoshop. If you are a graphic designer, you know how to use Photoshop, that probably maybe very easy. You can complete this type of task like within 5 to 10 minutes perhaps. Okay, and then you can charge for 15, 25 or $10 for this type of service. Okay, so this is very powerful. But if you are someone who have no idea what Photoshop is, or you don't know how to use Photoshop, stick with me, because I'm going to reveal to you a very powerful site where this site can help you to remove the background like only within a couple of seconds. That is insane, right? Before I go through the site, if you haven't subscribed already, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value throughout my sharing here. Okay, so before I dive into the site, I'm going to reveal to you another site, which is Fiverr.com. So same goes with people per hour. Fiverr also a freelancing website whereby you can find the exact same service. I'm going to copy this one on Fiverr as well, and I'm going to paste it here. Click search. There are so many people offering this type of service as well on Fiverr. Okay, so Photoshop cutout image, $5, 82 sale, 200 order, 49 orders, 119 orders, and etc. Right, so you can double down your income by providing the exact same service with both website. Okay, so that is the site where you can make money. And then now I'm going to reveal to you how to remove the background without using Photoshop. So you need to go to remove.bg. so you're going to land over to this site. So what it does is it's actually going to help you to remove the background within a couple of seconds only. Okay, so let's try to upload an image. I have downloaded the chair image, so we're going to try to remove this background. So click open, and then within few seconds it's going to help you to remove the entire background. Cool. All right, so it's not perfect, but what you can do instead, you can go to edit, and then you can like zoom it a bit, and then so for example, like this particular section over here, it has removed the entire part of the chair. And then I'm going to go here, click the erase and restore tool, and I'm going to adjust the brush size, and then we can actually restore, right? Either you want to erase or you can restore. For example, if I want to erase, I just click erase, and then I can click restore, and then I'm going to restore part of the chair back here. Okay, then it's going to take some time, but it's literally very easy thing to do. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the right side, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing over here. I'm going to restore part of the chair. Same goes with down here. Okay, and then maybe I'm going to erase this part a little bit more to make it interesting. All right, cool. So I'm going to zoom out. So it's done. All right, maybe I'm going to, okay, I'm going to delete this one as well. Erase and then delete. All right, that's all. So you're good to go, right? So what you can do next is you can simply download this one, and then you can download the image, and then you can share on your Fiverr. Give it to your client. Okay, so that is how you are able to make money online with Photoshop. And if you don't have any skill by using Photoshop, you can head off to remove.bg, and then you can remove the background within a couple of seconds only. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you can take action, because as you can see, so many people are making a lot of money, even though it is a very least amount of income. Just take a look at this one over here. 1,000 order with $5 equal to 5,000 $5,000 already. So that is pretty decent amount of for your supplemental income online. Okay, so I hope you can take action. Just go ahead to people per hour and then fiverr.com and get signed up. The sign up process is completely free. There's no credit card information required, and it is totally zero investment to start. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this content, and do give my video a like if you could find some value, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload daily content. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.